In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to create highlights on Facebook. To create a highlight using your Facebook stories or to create a highlights using your phone gallery photos, just follow these steps. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, go to your Facebook and go to your Facebook profile. Here scroll down and here as you can see I've already added a highlight. Now to add more highlight, just tap on this plus icon or you can just tap on edit public details. And in this page scroll down and here you'll find this highlight section. Just tap on this plus icon to create new highlight. Now here you'll find camera roll and stories or uploaded photos. To make a highlight using your phone gallery photos, just go ahead and select photos from your phone gallery. You will be able to select up to 50 photos for a highlight. And then tap on next. And you can write here a title for the highlight. If you want, you can also add more photo to the highlight by tapping here. Just tap on done, tap on save. And it may take some time to save or create the highlight. Once done, here as you can see my highlight successfully created. And now let's create a highlight using stories. So tapping on plus and tapping on see all to see all stories and selecting my stories randomly and just tapping on next and tapping on save. And that's it. This is how we can create highlights on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.